Can you help us get organized? Oh yeah, check out our offers on dresses and storage. Oh, what about lounge towels? There's pillowcases. Yes and yes. I think I need a bigger car.
Derek Chauvin in Minnesota for 28 years. She's had over 100 felony jury trials. She's doing murder cases. She specializes in other cases, police use of force cases. She teaches law school, all this stuff. Now, she is suing her old boss at the Hennepin County Attorney's Office, alleging, I think it's sexual harassment, that he sexually harassed her, sex discrimination and retaliation, right? And yet, in the context of this civil litigation, she has made some extraordinary allegations on the record about what kind of behavior he's guilty of and what he was saying and doing while running, in particular, the George Floyd case, the case against Derek Chauvin. She says at her deposition, wow.
Maryland drivers. Give him the horn.
I know. They need to back up. He thinks he's still in the right. He's going to be getting on the highway the wrong way. Right. I will. No, he's backing up. Okay, good. I was going to go next to him and tell him.
Yeah. I'll get out and tell him.
It says do not enter. Do not enter. Go that way. No,
I know.
No, you need to go.
You're going the wrong way. That will put you onto the highway going the wrong way. That says do not enter. Go that way.
Kirk, don't be mad.
No, you go. You go.
Yeah, you're in. He thinks I'm on the wrong side of the road.
It had a chip, but it didn't. But they kept it so the owner could hopefully find it. And one person come in and so
And I'll ask them.
Oh!
What?
There was just a crash up here.
Where?
Just at this intersection. This looks like a BMW. He just hit a Hyundai.
Spun the black car around?
This spun this car around right here.
Seth is getting ready to come inside. Seth's going to be my new back counter guy, so I can move my back counter guy out to municipal sales.
Right.
You know? But, oh, big accident. Woo, God. Yeah, fuck me.
Did you see it?
It was 2 feet in front of me.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, I got that on camera. Still going. She knocked out? Yeah.